One of the most frustrating issues professionals face after deciding on a goal is to find the right training to achieve it. Did you know that LearnPlan not only helps you manage and track your success, it also helps you find the resources you need to be successful? The Find My Training feature of LearnPlan is an easy way to find the training you are looking for. It has the LearnPlan e-learning library with links to courses, and also has the ability to have custom libraries loaded for subscriptions that you or your company have already purchased. To use Find My Training, go to the Find My Training tab in LearnPlan. In the Search Filters area, you can select a specific library and course and click Search, which will limit the list below. You can also search by a keyword in the search field located to the right. This field starts limiting the list of resources as you type. Once you find the resource you are looking for, you will see a website URL. Depending on what you or your company has purchased, the link will either take you to the resource or give you the option to purchase the resource. So never be stuck trying to find training again. Use Find My Training in LearnPlan to get what you need to be successful.